Hi, my name is Brad Marks. I am in the Boise metro area. You can find my website, move2idaho.com. That's move number 2, idaho.com. To connect with me and to find out more information about this area. Well, this area is on fire. Everybody's finally found out about us and they're wanting to move up here. And quality of life is the key ingredient. Outdoors people are finding the mountains, the rivers, the trees and everything up here to be outstanding and a great place to raise your family, be able to take them to the ski areas and different things that we have to offer here. Whitewater rafting is huge. Anyways, yeah, it's just it's been a well-kept secret for a long time, but people are finding out about it now, and that's okay, because we need some good people to come here. It's a very safe community. We've got, it's a family-driven community, and we've got a nice downtown that, you know, has a lot of fun things to do, places to eat. We've got a couple other small cities around the edges that are growing quickly too, like Meridian, which has been one of the fastest growing cities in the nation over the last few years, and it's been in the running for that at multiple times. Boise itself is on fire, and the real estate market is increasing rapidly. But it's time to get up here now if you want to come. We got a good way of life. Sell that house wherever you're at and come on up. I'll be glad to help you find what you need. And you know, if you're coming from another state, I can interact with you digitally and get you all the information you need. I can be your eyes and ears on the ground. I've been here for 25 years. I'm from Arizona by way of Colorado, and I love it up here. You know, it really is a great community, but we're looking forward to quality, good people coming up here too. Anyways, y'all have a blessed day, and you can get a hold of me at my website, move2idaho.com. Have a great day.